Welcome to Chris's Bread. Today I'm going to teach you how to make mantu. This is Chinese steamed bun. Originally, when it started, it made with the homemade starter. Nowadays, dry yeast and quick yeast is available. This version that I'm going to teach today is made with the dry yeast. Let's get to it. In a small bowl, add lukewarm water and sprinkle the yeast. You can add sugar at this time because yeast loves sugar. So you let it sit on a room temperature 3 to 5 minutes. You can see that it's starting to dissolve. Then you whisk it, creating foam, and dissolve everything. And then let it sit there another 3 to 5 minutes until this foam doubles. Then we're going to pour the yeast mixture over on a big bowl and add milk and salt. If you didn't add sugar, you can add the sugar here and mix it really well. And then add flour. So when you add flour in any dough, start with 1 cup at a time and then half a cup. So you can come to the feeling of when the texture is ready, whether it's nice and soft texture or stiff texture. So once it comes out of the side of the bowl, then we're going to put it on a flat surface and start kneading by hand. About 10 to 12 minutes, creating the gluten. It's going to be nice and elastic. If dough feels very stiff, then you can add water, 1 tablespoon at a time. If it's too soft, you can add flour. So don't get disappointed. Dough is too stiff, too hard to work. So when we work and create that elastic texture, then we're going to put it in a pre-oiled container and cover it up and let it rise in a room temperature for 1.5 to 2 hours until it doubles in the size. Then we're going to punch down the dough, deflating, come to the original size, and let it rise again another 20-30 minutes. And then once it's doubled, then we're going to take it out and knead for 5 minutes or so. So all this deflating, kneading, it will make the dough not to deflate when we actually steam it. So we're going to make a bowl shape and we're going to start rolling. So to steam them same time, I usually make 16 rolls, steamed rolls from this recipe. So I roll them and then I take a turn and roll it. So eventually it will be rolled out same time and shaped same time and then steamed same time. Otherwise, if you roll one and then shape it and let it rise and roll the other one, then it's not gonna be able to steam the same time. So once you roll it out nicely, about 20-inch long, then you stretch it out, make a nice rectangular shape. And then you can use any oil of your choice. Vegetable oils, olive oils, whatever oils you want, sesame oils. Then make sure put a very thin layer of oil. If you put thick oil, then it's going to be hard to shape it because it's not going to stick together well. So once nicely thin oil layer, then you're going to roll like a jelly roll and then create a cylinder. 2 cylinders. Then we're gonna cut it 16 pieces, about 3/4 inches. You can use bakery cut or just a knife. And then we're gonna put them together using chopstick or back of the knife and kind of attach them together, and then using index and thumb pull the dough, stretch it out, and then bring it on the bottom and pinch it really nicely, seal it together. And you can flatten the bottom and nicely fix it and adjust it. The other one is pull it and twist it, then pinch it on the bottom. The other one is just make a crease and then fold it, stretch it out, and pinch it on the bottom. So these are the three different shapes. And then I put on a oil sprayed cutting board and put a plastic wrap or kitchen towel. Make sure to get the steamer ready. Spray the steam trays, get it ready, put water on it. 5 to 10 minutes before you steam, you turn on the gas stove and really create nice and hot steam. Make sure to be really careful, it's very hot. If there's water developed on the tray, you can spill them out very carefully. My steamer tray, I can fit 8 buns, and then all 16 bun goes on my steamer. Then cover it up nicely. Then I steam about 9 to 10 minutes. Then we're gonna turn off the stove, gas ranger, and then keep it in there, turned off for 5 minutes, and then take it out. Now you can see its size is increased and then nice shiny outside and very nice and soft. Then you can take them out very carefully, and here they are. And here's a flower shape steamed rolls, nice and soft, and you can peel it off layer by layer because we put oil in it. It's nice and delicious. Now you know how to make it. Enjoy it.